We will be having a meeting of the committee. It's just that few things are still being looked into. Before you call for a committee meeting, you have to make sure that you yourself you're conversant about the entire detail of what is being proposed to be undertaken. So you will have to give me some more time, but definitely we will again extend an invitation to political parties and other stakeholders to discuss this matter at the earliest. It cannot be left pending like this. We are familiar with, you know, the difficulties that a situation like this can fall out to be. Meghalaya is a state known for its peace, for the coexistence of so many communities. We work together, we talk together. We don't want this to ever change. And unfortunately, the roster is something which we will have to discuss together. And that is why the Honorable Chief Minister has himself invited all concerned to a meeting. Now, why Bah Ardent did not attend that meeting is something which is still unclear to me. But we would like to see this problem getting sorted out. We have to be on a common page. We all have to remember that this is in the common interests of all communities living within the state of Meghalaya. And if I can be that one element of change, I will be very happy to do it. Once I meet up with Bah Ardent, then maybe I'll be able to understand what exactly he wants. Because I have not yet seen copies of any proposal that are being discussed by Bah Ardent, and I am not privy to any of the discussions that he has held either. So on this matter, unfortunately, it is happening, and government is not silent. Government is just trying to get a hand as to what is the best way forward. If you have to take all communities on board on this matter, we have to do it jointly. We cannot have decisions in isolation. Isolated decisions is what will bring the wedge, the friction, and we don't want that to happen. So please give the government some time. We are ourselves trying to understand and take control of what are these dynamics that are being discussed. Because if you say population, it could mean so many things. We don't know what exactly is being discussed. Because if you see the state economic statistics, then again, that population also will have its own indicators. What exactly are we talking about? This is very, very important. And we should be on the same page. So, not wanting